There are so many times we get this thought. What if I do not get the bus? What if I could not execute what I have planned? What if things do not happen the way I have planned? So, this certainty plays a lot of important role when it comes to living life with perfection. So, what happens in obsessive compulsive disorder that demands 100% certainty, perfection? चीजें मेरे हिसाब से और मुझे जैसे चाहिए वैसे ही होनी चाहिए. But let's be honest, certainty is an illusion that nobody actually has. Think about it. We accept uncertainty every time we step into traffic. We don't know when the traffic signal is going to be working, or we don't know when the traffic is going to be moving. When we order food, they say sometimes 20 minutes or 30 minutes, but we don't know it if it is really going to take that much time. See the way it was raining recently. The weather is out of our control, right? So, obsessive compulsive disorder targets only the things you care about most, demanding a guarantee that does not exist. So, let's practice the small practice today. Delay a familiar compulsion कि मुझे ये करना ही है, इस तरह का. डिलेड, लेट्स पोस्टपोन इट, उसको थोड़ा सा पोस्टपोन करेंगे जस्ट बाय 60 सेकेंड्स. 1 मिनट से हमको सिर्फ उस चीज को, जो चीज ऐसे हो रहा है कि नहीं मुझे तो ये मैंने डिसाइड किया था, अब मुझे ये चीज चाहिए ही थी, या मुझे ये चीज बोलना ही था, या ये खरीदना ही था, 1 मिनट से ही उसको पोस्टपोन करेंगे. सेट अ टाइमर. अभी तो मोबाइल में आप आसानी से अपना टाइमर लगाओगे. ड्यूरिंग दैट 1 minute, नेम 5 things around you. That practice will help you to bring your attention into present. और फिर क्या करना है हमको? जब आपका अटेंशन प्रेजेंट में आ जाएगा, यू विल फील लॉट ऑफ इन योर कंट्रोल. So be compassionate and kind to yourself that your mind can demand a lot of certainty और चीजें मेरे हिसाब से ही होनी चाहिए, because that's how the pattern has been developed since childhood maybe, and right now it's ruling you. So speak this truth to yourself. I don't need absolute certainty to be safe. I can tolerate the unknown. I can take this if things are not perfect. So, your check in tonight, how did it feel to sit with that uncertainty for just 1 minute? What was happening in your body? Was your body was it like heavy, or responding very slowly, or was it a exciting kind of experience for you? Just notice how your body responds when that uncertainty shows. And today, the way you practice that 1 minute, how your body responded. You are stronger than you think. See you in the next video. Till then,